Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about a new thing that has happened in S4HANA. Is the use of SE16H table to build queries. So today we are going to, I have created videos on SE16H. There's two videos already in my channel, but this will cover the joining portion. So let's go there and discuss. So first thing, you go to SE16H and here you put a table name. So suppose here I want to put, let's do one thing. We are going to do for suppose the table EKQ. Okay, so let's go there, EKQ, or we'll put we will do EKPO. Okay, so that's a purchase order table. Okay, I go here, and here suppose I want to see this is the table, and now I want to build a joining condition. Okay, so here first thing you have to create, you have to give a name. So I'll just create C test. So we'll just create C. C, okay. Or I can just go here and I can give a name C test, and I put EKP. Okay, and here first thing is I'll click on create. Okay, and here I will put the secondary table. So the secondary table probably I'll use is EKVE, which is the purchase order uh, uh, goods receipt table, where you can see invoices and other things. So I put EKB. Okay, and here I'll put in the output. This will show me what are the things that I really want. So here I can put the movement type, the year, and probably I'll put this values DMBTR and all those things. Okay, and I'll put XPLNR, which is like the delivery note. The moment I do this, I click this. Now I have EKB table. Now the second thing you have to do is you have to click here. You click here, it's a little tricky, and then you have to mention maintain details. The moment you do it, this one will show up. Now here I have to define the joining condition. So here you can see EKB. So I'll put the joining condition here. Okay, so the table fields would be here. I'll just select ABLN. Okay, and I'll say reference, and I'll put here the EBLN. Okay, and it would come from EKPO, right? So this is the first one, this is the first match. Then the second one would be EBLP, which is the line level, and I'll put the reference. Again the same thing, EBLP, and I'll put EKPO. Okay, and here you can do the number of rows, inner join. So here I'll first mention inner join, and you can do grouping or whatever you want. So here once this is done, we'll click on check entries, everything is fine. Okay, and we execute. Okay, and we click yes. So the moment I have created here, it would be here available. Okay, and here for the sake of it, what I'll do is I'll always create a variant. So I'll just create a variant test. Okay, and I can give test KPO with KB. Okay, and you again you can create more. Test was saved, so this has been saved. Now I'll be trying to do the grouping, so I can put grouping by this, and now I'll just execute. So if I execute, if you see the outer join list output, here you can find all the information that you want. Now here if you wanted further informations, you can still get it. Okay, so here you can see there is 6 transactions related with this for particular table and all those things, particular purchase order. So you can find all these things. This is very helpful. And here you can see transactions, number of entries, and here if you want further information, so lots of times you might want whether I want to see the material also. So I can do group by this is material, and I'll just execute now. And if I do group by material, I get I get the material number and all those things also. So this is very helpful. And if you further want to enhance it, you can add more tables, like you can add EKK, and you can add AC doka or whatever you want. And this is very handy. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning. And this is the way you can learn new stuffs in the SAP S4 HANA world. Thank you and have a great day.